In the time it takes you to blink, a star just exploded. Somewhere in the universe, entire worlds are being born, and others are vanishing forever. You're standing on the edge of a universe so vast, it would take 100,000 years just to cross our galaxy. You are about to take the ultimate journey from the scorching hell of Venus to the edge of the universe itself. This is not science fiction. These are the real wonders waiting out there, and you're seeing them now. The inner solar system. Fire and stone. Our journey begins at the heart of our planetary system, where the sun roars with nuclear fire, its corona lashing space with solar winds. Mercury, a cratered world of extremes, bakes under a sun 10 times larger than seen from Earth, while its night side plunges into deep freeze. Strange hollows pockmark its surface, mysteries yet unsolved. Venus, shrouded in perpetual twilight beneath its thick CO2 clouds, hides a hellscape of volcanic plains and mountains taller than Everest. Its super-rotating atmosphere whips around the planet faster than the surface spins, while metallic snow, likely lead sulfide and bismuth compounds, dusts its highlands. Earth's moon, our silent companion, bears witness to eons of bombardment. Its far side, forever hidden from Earth, is strangely different: thicker crust, fewer maria, and the massive South Pole Aitken Basin, the solar system's largest known impact crater. Mars, the rust-colored wanderer, boasts Olympus Mons, a volcano 3 times Everest's height, and Valles Marineris, a canyon system so vast it would stretch across the United States. Its polar caps, made of water and frozen CO2, grow and shrink with the seasons, while ancient riverbeds whisper of lost oceans. The realm of giants, kings of the outer system, beyond the asteroid belt, the gas giants rule. Jupiter, a striped colossus, churns with ammonia storms and jet streams faster than Earth's hurricanes. Its moon Io is a volcanic nightmare, spewing sulfur hundreds of miles into space, while Europa hides a global ocean beneath its cracked ice shell, perhaps the best candidate for extraterrestrial life in our solar system. Saturn, jewel of the skies, is encircled by rings made of countless ice chunks, some as small as dust, others as large as mountains. Titan, its largest moon, has rivers and lakes, not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane. Its thick nitrogen atmosphere and organic chemistry make it a frozen mirror of early Earth. Uranus and Neptune, the ice giants, spin tilted on their sides, likely due to ancient collisions. Uranus's pale blue-green glow is featureless, but Neptune howls with the fastest winds in the solar system, supersonic gales tearing at 1,500 miles per hour. Neptune's moon, Triton, orbits backward, a captured Kuiper Belt object with geysers of nitrogen erupting from its frozen surface. The frozen frontier, Pluto and beyond. Pluto, once the 9th planet, is a world of heart-shaped glaciers and towering ice mountains. Its thin nitrogen atmosphere freezes and falls like snow when Pluto retreats from the sun. Charon, its largest moon, is so massive that the two orbit a shared point in space, forever locked in a gravitational dance. Beyond Pluto lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast donut of icy bodies. Some, like Haumea, spin so fast they stretch into egg shapes. Others, like Eris, rival Pluto in size. Far past them, the mysterious Oort cloud stretches nearly a light year away, a shell of trillions of comets waiting to fall toward the sun. Into the stellar wilderness, neighboring suns, leaving the solar system, we encounter Proxima Centauri, a dim red dwarf with a planet, Proxima b, bathed in eternal crimson twilight. Its star lashes it with flares, stripping any chance of a thick atmosphere. Alpha Centauri, a triple-star system, shines with golden Alpha Centauri A and orange Alpha Centauri B, locked in an 80-year orbital dance. Between them, a hypothetical Goldilocks planet might enjoy double sunrises and sunsets. Sirius, the dog star, blazes twice as hot as our sun, with a tiny, dense white dwarf companion. A dead star's corpse so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh tons on Earth. Betelgeuse, a dying red supergiant in Orion, is so vast that if placed at our sun's position, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. It flickers unpredictably, a ticking supernova bomb visible even in daylight when it finally explodes. Nebulas, the birth and death of stars, the Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery 1,300 light-years away, glows with newborn stars still wrapped in their gaseous cradles. Towering pillars of dust, like the pillars of creation Oerti in the Eagle Nebula, are sculpted by stellar winds. The Crab Nebula, remnants of a supernova witnessed in 1054 AD, pulses with a spinning neutron star at its heart, a pulsar flashing like a cosmic lighthouse. The Helix Nebula, a dying star's final breath, expands like a glowing eye, its outer layers drifting into space to someday seed new worlds. Galaxies, islands of stars. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a barred spiral with 100 billion stars. Its core blazes with the light of crowded suns, hiding a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, quietly feasting on stray gas. The Andromeda Galaxy, on a collision course with the Milky Way, looms larger in the sky as we approach. Its trillion stars swirl in a majestic disk, with satellite galaxies like M32 and M110 orbiting like loyal attendants. The Triangulum Galaxy, smaller but fiercer, crackles with star-forming regions, its spiral arms alive with young blue giants. Far beyond, the Sombrero Galaxy wears a dark dust lane like a cosmic hat, while the Whirlpool Galaxy spins in perfect symmetry, its companion galaxy tearing at its edges, triggering bursts of new stars. The deep cosmos, wonders beyond imagination. Quasars, the brightest objects in the universe, are powered by supermassive black holes in distant galaxies, devouring matter so violently that their jets outshine entire galaxies. The Bullet Cluster, two galaxies colliding, reveals the ghostly hand of dark matter, its gravity bending light while remaining utterly invisible. The Great Attractor, a mysterious gravitational anomaly, pulls thousands of galaxies toward it, though what lies there remains hidden behind the Milky Way's dust. At the very edge of the observable universe, primordial galaxies glow faintly, their light stretched into infrared by the expansion of space. Some of the first stars, made only of hydrogen and helium, may still burn there, monsters hundreds of times the sun's mass, living fast and dying in colossal explosions that forged the first heavy elements. The end? Or just the beginning? Beyond the cosmic horizon, space itself stretches faster than light can travel. Other universes may exist in a vast multiverse, each with different laws of physics. Some may have stars that burn forever, others might be dark and empty. But for now, our journey ends here, at the edge of the known, gazing into the infinite. The universe is vast, strange, and beautiful beyond comprehension, and it is all waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, smash that like button. It helps more explorers find their way to the stars. And hit subscribe for more awe-inspiring adventures through space and time. Thanks for watching.